Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be making some hominy and oats porridge. So here in my pressure cooker I have some corn that has been soaking overnight. To that I added some cinnamon leaves. I also added some salt and sugar to flavor the corn. Normally when you cook the corn to make the porridge, if you don't add salt and sugar it will not have any taste. So that's the reason I added it. The water is boiling, so I'm going to cover the pressure cooker and let it pressure for 25 to 30 minutes. It all depends on the speed of your pressure cooker. So normally some person they will boil the corn, but I like to go the easier way, so I am pressuring mine. Here I have some instant oats. I will be using the oats to thicken the porridge. Also I'm going to be using some coconut milk. To it I added some vanilla. I may add more oats guys, but normally like when I'm blending the oats I like to add a little at a time because I don't want my porridge to be very thick. If you add too much oats, then the porridge is going to be extra thick. Oats thicken as it cooks, so we don't want to over add the oats. So here I'm just transferring them into the blender and I'm going to blend off camera. I pressured the corn for 30 minutes, so here I'm just going to check to see if it is fully cooked. Just by looking at them, I know they are fully cooked. So at this point, you can remove the cinnamon leaves if you choose, but I will not be doing that. I'm going to be adding the blended mixture. So while I add it, I'm going to stir it very well, and I'm doing this on a very low flame because I don't want it to become lumpy. So ensure that you put your flame on a low at this point. I forgot to say that I am using half pack of Hominy corn, which is about 200 grams. You can add more corn if you like, depending on the amount of porridge that you're making, or you can use less. But I love to have a lot of corn. As you can see, it starts to thicken as it boils. So I am going to stir it occasionally so that it doesn't stick to the pot. I am doing this on a medium flame. I am going to let it cook for 10 to 15 minutes. In total, I use 1.5 cups of oats. At this point, it is almost finished, so I am going to start adding some spices. So I'm going to be adding 2 teaspoons of vanilla. You can add 1, but I love a lot of vanilla. Also, I'm going to be adding half teaspoon of mixed spice. You can add any spice of your choice. So there you have it, guys. This is how I make oats and hominy corn porridge in my kitchen. Thank you so much for watching. Please remember to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Also, please do share this video with your friends and family members. And I will see you in another video. Bye bye.